Start your cupboard assembly by identifying the outer sides. For example, for a 3-box unit, it's the box 1 left-hand side and box 3 right-hand side. Place nickel cams in all the available holes. Then, fix cam bolts at the top and bottom. Tall units may require extra cams in the middle. Place white cams in all the remaining sides. Screw in all the adjustable feet to about 25mm from the plate. Locate all the uprights. Screw cam bolts into the 5mm holes on the back. Next, locate the shelves, valance, box base and box top to complete box 1. Some shelves on taller units may require nickel cams. Use white cams for the box top, box base and valance. Fix cam bolts to the box base. You can then attach the valance to the box base by locking the cams in place. Attach the box top to the right-hand side with the cams facing outwards and engraving upwards. Making sure the parts are square, pilot the hole through the available drill holes, then fix with 45mm screws. Locate the shelves and base assembly, then carefully attach the remaining side. The base assembly and any shelves with cams should be locked in place and any further screws fitted. Place the back with the engraving towards the top. Making sure it is completely flush, screw it in place with 25mm washer screws. Use this process to pull the box completely square. Don't forget the central screws to help hold the shelves in place. Assemble the remaining boxes and place them side by side. Adjust the feet to account for an uneven floor. The boxes are attached together with connecting bolts towards the front and back, top and bottom. With the unit fully square, next install the uprights by lining up the cams and bolts. Use the access holes to lock the inner hidden cams. Place dowels in the unit front, then locate the front skirting. All skirting can be glued or screwed from behind. Place dowels in the unit top, then locate the top. The top can be glued or screwed from below. Now it's time for the doors. Fix the magnetic catch plate to the back of the door with 16mm countersunk screws. Fix any door handles with the bolts provided. Attach the hinges to the door with 25mm countersunk screws, with the butt facing outwards. Then use the same screws to attach the door to the unit. Fit the magnetic catches in place with 16mm panhead screws. You may need a smaller screwdriver.